Hello everyone. If you wanna fix an overheating issues on your Xiaomi Redmi A3, so here I have a few tips on doing that. So first of all, open up your settings. Now in your settings, find your system apps updater. First of all, and make sure that all of the system apps are updated. Okay, sometimes that might help resolve the overheating issues. Also, open up your system tab. In your system tab, you are to find system update, and also check whether there are any updates. So press check for update, give your phone a few seconds, and as you see, no updates available, which is a good sign. Alright, now let's open up our settings once again. Let's scroll down to our apps. Here they are, and in our apps we can remove unnecessary apps which you are not using. For example, let's remove LinkedIn. We're not really using it, so press uninstall, confirm your choice, because all of those applications may be working in the background and they may be taking a lot of your battery power and making it work slow and get an overheating, right? Also, I recommend you performing a force stop. Let's find it. Yeah, here it is. So it's not working in the background. However, if it were working in the background, you will be able to perform that. Yeah, like Google Chrome, just press force stop and it's not working on the ground anymore, just like this. The next thing what I recommend you to do is to turn off Bluetooth. So simply swipe down from the top of your screen, swipe down again, turn off your mobile data, Bluetooth, turn on your hotspot, turn off basically everything which you are not using, because this gives a big load on your processor and it gets overheated. Alright, now let's use cleaner and clean cache and junk files to free up memory and reduce system load. So find your cleaner, here it is, tap on it, wait your phone to collect all the trash, press consent, and now it's cleaned, which is really good. Alright, now let's go to About Phone tab in our settings. Here it is, and in our phone tab we are to find the build number and we need to tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alrighty, I got my developer options on, but now go back to your system tab. In your system tab, find your developer options, open it up, and here we need to reduce animation speed to improve our performance. So let's do this. Let's find it. Alright, so here it is. Window animation scale, animation duration scale, transition animation scale. So on all of them, you either choose off or 0.5. I'll leave it on 0.5 because some animations are nice, it makes your phone smoother. However, with these settings, they won't be using that much of your processor. Now let's turn off our developer options as we don't need them, and let's go with the next step. Alright, now in your settings, let's open up our settings first, of course. So let's find our battery tab, and in our battery tab you're to tap battery temperature. So we are to find it. Where can we get it? We can get it on battery usage tab. So here's our battery usage. So here is more statistics. Here you can see how much of your battery does every application use, and you can delete those applications which are using too much battery and they are unnecessary. You can turn off, or you can turn on your battery saver, and it's gonna save a lot of your battery life and won't get your phone overheated. It will let it cool down. And also we can perform a battery checkup. However, this option is not available anymore, so we cannot do this, unluckily. Alright, so as you see, dark theme reduces the load on processor as well, so you can put them on and it will be great. And basically that's it. Also, you can disable haptic feedback and other unnecessary features. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.